Hello! I'm Chris Evans from UCL's Interaction Centre, or UClick, and I'm going to be talking to you about using Zoom for teaching. In this episode, I'm going to be looking at how to pre-record your lectures. Pre-recording forms part of the flipped classroom model of teaching and learning. It means that students can view the material outside the live session, freeing you up to concentrate on helping them make sense of the material in the live session, or even put it into practice. To record the lecture, we're going to make use of an application called Loom from loom.com. Loom is a free application for educators, and it allows you to record both what's on the screen in the form of your presentation and also a video of you. So here I am in PowerPoint, which is what I'm going to use for my lecture presentation, and I'm going to start up Loom, and you'll see two things happen. First of all, I get a dialog box in the center of the screen, and in the bottom left hand corner I get a little video window. There are three options: to record the screen and the camera, that's what's currently selected, or I could choose to record the screen only, or I could choose to record the camera only. There are three options for the display of the video from the camera. If you hover your pointer over, you'll see these three dots appear, and here are the three options. I can choose to enlarge the size of this circle, or I can display it full screen. If I go back to the original, also if this is in a position that's not convenient, you can just click and move it around. In order to start recording, you simply click the big Start Recording button, and it will give you a countdown from 3. And now we're recording. And to stop the recording, you simply go to the left hand side here. You can see the record button, and you can stop recording simply by clicking that. When you stop recording, Loom will take you over to their website. To share your video, the simplest way is just to click this copy link button. That's copied the URL into your clipboard. You can then now put that on Moodle or your favourite virtual learning environment, or put it into emails or wherever else it is that you want to make your video lecture accessible.